Favor. Stop being fucking controlled by day-to-day actions. That shit is corny as a motherfucker. Stop living day-to-day. Definitely with kids. Stop that shit. Like, stop fucking waking up early in the morning, right? Going straight to your fucking phone, right? That's probably not even fucking paid for. Let's just keep it all the way trill. And following other people's life. You want to look at everybody else's life instead of looking at your own. And you know what pisses me off about people? I hate when I'm sitting here spilling the fucking milk. I'm spilling the fucking milk. And ain't none of y'all catching this shit with y'all glass. Like, nobody got a glass in their hand. Nobody not catching this milk I'm spilling, huh? This the shit I be talking about. I hate to break shit down all the way to the T. Cause still, see, this the hood shit in me. You see, I'm still in the hood. I'm from the hood. That's where I'm from. I don't like explaining shit 100,000 times. Trust me, I gotta get better on it. My mentor gotta get better. But there's no way I'm gonna break the shit down in preschool fucking bicycle fucking training wheel formula, nigga. And you not getting it. That's a problem. That's a problem. Where are you going? Where you plan on going? And if you go somewhere, where are you going? Study, study, study. Like, don't just be on this platform fucking posting. Study the platform. Study this shit. Practice make perfect. Shit only supposed to get easier. It's not supposed to get harder. Stop following. Don't even tell. Look, don't wake up early and somebody else will be like, all right, yo, this motherfucker winning. You win. You. Look, I said it once. I'ma say it again. For the 1,000th fucking time. They printing money out here. They printing money. Yo, Bam, yo, why you a super hustler? Cause I get busy. They printing money. What's wrong with you? You don't know that they could. It's a season for everything. You see, we just finished spending money on turkeys, right? Then we gon' look. Right after the turkeys, Black Friday. Right after Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday, Christmas. Christmas, New Year's. This shit is all like, everybody know. All the higher up, the rich motherfuckers know already. Like, yo, we gonna put this out because these motherfuckers gonna spend this money, even if they broke. Even if they ain't got no money, they gonna spend this money. Why you think I'm a super hustler? I sell candles. I don't give a fuck. I sell ashtrays for all I care. Do what you want to do. Stop the day-to-day activity shit. Stop being entertained. Like, are you entertained? Stop the entertainment shit. Definitely if you pop, I don't